Okay, hope everybody's doing pretty good today. I thought I'd give myself a little tryout on making one of these here YouTube videos. So we'll see how this goes. This may not work out too good, but we'll give it a try. So we're down in the basement. I think the first thing we'll do is turn off this dehumidifier for now. And that'll make a big difference. Cuts down the noise quite a bit. But the reason I'm down here is I want to tell you about the new shop light I bought. New fandangled stuff. At least to me, because I'm old. I'm used to the old fluorescent lights. So, I'm going to switch cameras here. As you can see, I have in the computer here what I bought. Now, they aren't like the old. I'm used to the old lights. I have the old style. The old fluorescent tube lights. But when I had one go bad, I couldn't seem to find them anymore like that. Seems like all they make is some in an LED, which probably is okay. They run in a dampness better, I think, and they seem to work pretty good. So anyway, I bought these things off of Walmart. Seemed to be a good deal. Only ended up being about $13 a piece. And I thought I'd show you what they came in here. You get them in a 2-pack. You switch this around again. Okay, come in a box like this. Long box. They're like the regular, they're supposed to be replacements for your 4-foot fluorescent lights. They're supposed to be a good replacement, even matching the brightness of the old style fluorescent lights. As you can see, I've used one out of here. But this is how they come. And they have all your hardware in here. There's your cord. And they really look similar to a fluorescent light, except they don't have all that huge cowling over the outside edge like up here. So, and these lights are also, let me get this out here. That doesn't show on that end. Well, anyway, you can plug these in. This will show it here. You can plug them in from end to end. You know, you can plug these lights together and join them, keep plugging them in. Now, I believe you can use up to 6 in a one plug outlet joined together. So, that's sort of my story there. I did get the light hung up, and I'm actually pretty pleased with it. I'll show you over here it is. It does seem to work well, and I'm satisfied with the brightness of it. And we'll give you an idea of what it's like here. So, I shouldn't have been shining up at the light there like that, but now you can see how bright it is. Very bright, even as compared to those lights. And I'll turn it off again, and this will give you an idea. Now we'll just sort of shine back here. I don't know if that gives you a good, true idea of it, but anyway, there's my little video on my light installation. And my transition from LED, or from the old style fluorescent over to LED lights now. Overall, I'd say I'm satisfied, although it isn't like the old days. So, okay, so I'm going to sign off. I hope that helped you out there. There you can see that light in the background, all lit up. Plenty of light. This is sort of like my little computer desk down here. As you can see, I got another computer down here in the basement. Just something I tinker with. All right. Thank you for watching, folks. And we'll see you later on. Maybe with another video. See how this works out. Take care. God bless. Amen. All right. I just thought about a couple of little things. Just as an addendum or an add-on to the video here for these shop lights. I'd like to note they're very light, easy to hang. You could probably end up using them in a lot of places, like in a closet, maybe in extra lighting in a room, in a sewing room or something like that. These are made that you can mount them flush. You can screw them fast to the walls or the ceiling, so you can mount them sideways. They come with all the hardware you need. They're easy to mount. They're not hard. You don't have to be a master craftsman. I recommend these lights at least. They're easy solutions to some things. And I think you'll find that you can fit them in a lot of other places and really help yourself out in some dark areas you've been struggling with. So, there it is. They're cheap. Come with all the hardware. They're easy to mount, easy to hang. You plug them in, they work good. Now, as far as the longevity, how long they're going to last, I don't know anything about that yet. I've just gotten them. So, we'll just have to use them. And if for some reason they don't really last too long, I'm going to come back and make another video on it. So, okay, folks, you take care, and we will see you later. Take care, and God bless.